Unseasonably cold air will continue to be a big part of the weather story across West Michigan over the next couple of weeks. A couple of live shots for you, one taking you to Ravenna, the campus of the middle school, and you can see still some snow on the ground. Downtown Holland, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, but we are looking at dry conditions around, dry pavement on most of the main area roadways. So if you're traveling today, really shouldn't be a big deal. We'll even see intervals of sunshine at times. Temperatures will reach the upper 20s today. Little light snow possible early tomorrow morning as a cool front works through. Not a lot of moisture associated with that one, so not really expecting that to be a significant impact. A bigger impact weather event comes our way Wednesday into Thursday. This is going to be a widespread area of heavy snow that tracks through the region, and that is going to produce the potential for several inches of accumulation. And because it's a region-wide event, it likely will cause some significant travel slowdowns and disruptions. For the most part, temps are in the teens, inland 20s along the Lakeshore. Big Rapids has been the lone outlier there, with temperatures in the single digits above to just below zero. And again, we are looking at wind chills in most locations pretty close to the air temps to start the day. We don't have a whole lot of wind yet, but the winds will be on the increase as we head through the afternoon. Satellite radar composite, a few flurries off to the north and northeast of Grand Rapids. Otherwise, today you can see there are some big holes in the clouds, so we'll see at least a little bit of sunshine working in. And if we do see holes in the clouds lingering until sunset time, sunset today, 6:07 this evening. So we're getting those later sunset times. Our days definitely are starting to get longer. A little bit of light snow this is 2:30 tomorrow morning. Big Rapids, Newaygo, Ludington points off to the north. So a little bit of a light dusting is possible, but that really won't be a big deal for most of us. In fact, most of our Tuesday looks dry. The big story comes with the development of this next storm system. A lot of moisture will start streaming northward, encountering the cold air that will continue to funnel in. And as this happens by tomorrow afternoon and evening, we're going to start to see some snow stretching from Missouri into Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, West Virginia, and into the nation's capital. We still keep the snow to our south as we head into Tuesday night and at least the start of the day Wednesday. By Wednesday, this developing low pressure center is going to be lifting to the north. The counterclockwise circulation has that moisture flung back into the really cold air, and that is going to make this a snow event here across the central and southern part of our state. Snowfall projections, well, again, a little bit of a fluctuation in the exact track of that low pressure center could bring heavier or lighter amounts, but you can see the big bullseye here across most of the lower peninsula, as much as 3 to even 7 or 8 inches of snow likely, lighter amounts to the southeast and also back to the northwest. So we'll be watching this model run by model run. Stay with Fox 17 weather as we continue to update you on the track timing and amounts of snow with this particular system. Friday looks dry, another area of snow moving in for Saturday and Sunday, followed by a reinforcing shot of colder air, which will come in. The 8 to 14 day temperature outlook taking us into the beginning of the 4th week of February, keeping the warm air off to our south and west and the much colder than average temps in the central and eastern United States, including the Great Lakes region. We're going to get to keep the snow we get, and we'll likely see more episodes of snow before the month of February is over.